functions, inverse of a function. So I am taking a function first a function a two sets 1 2 3 a so 1a 2a 3b. So this is a function. Every element in domain has unique image. 1 image a, 2 image a, 3 image b. So this is f. So f is a function. If we are taking f inverse of a function, f inverse first b to a inverse a b 1 2 3. So 1 to a to 1, 2 to a to 2, 3 to b to 3. So this is a function, but it is not a function because here a having two images, a associated with two elements. So it is so a containing two images, b containing one image. So it is not a function. Okay, now a b 1 2 3 a b c d 1b 2a 3c. So this is g inverse b a b c d 1 2 3. So 1 to b to 1, 2 to a to 2, 3 to c to 3. So since g is a function, every element in domain has unique image. If we take a g inverse, every element contain one image except d. D doesn't contain any image, so it is not a function. So it is onto, but inverse does not exist. It is function, it is not a function. If we are taking this is also function, this is not a function. Okay, now h a b 1 2 3 a b c 1b 2a 3c. So h inverse b to a b c, b elements a b c 1 2 3. So 1 b 1, 2 a 2, 3 c 3. So every element in a has unique image, so it is function. If we are taking inverse, every element in domain, now codomain will become domain will become codomain. Every element in domain has also unique image, so it is function. So when it is a function, the inverse of a function is a function when it is. So the inverse of a function is also a function when it is bijection. If it is bijection, then only it is a function. If we observe this function is onto, but inverse does not exist. This is 1 1, even though it is not existed. This is 1 1 and onto, so it is bijection. That's why here inverse is exist. So a function is a bijection, then only inverse is existed, and the inverse function is also bijection. The inverse function also bijection. So let's f from a to b is bijection. Then f inverse from b to a is also bijection. F inverse from b to a is also bijection. So this is about inverse function. So inverse function need not exist always. Inverse function is exist only for the function is bijection. So if the inverse function is exist, the inverse function is also itself a bijection function. Okay, now we will do some problems on inverse functions. Exercise 1b, first question. If f of x equal to e power x and g of x equal to log x base c, f of x equal to e power x and g of x equal to log x base c. Then show that f circle g equal to g circle f equal to and find f inverse and g inverse and find f inverse and g inverse. So f of x equal to e power x, g of x equal to log x base c. Then show that g circle f equal to f circle g equal to g circle f and find f inverse and g inverse. So proof. First, f of x equal to e power x, g of x equal to log x base c. So I want to find f inverse and g inverse. So to find f inverse, let y equal to f of x. Let y equal to f of x. So x equal to f inverse of y. So f bringing outside f inverse of y. Y equal to f of x equal to f inverse y. Y equal to, what is f of x? E power x. Y equal to e power x. Y equal to e power x. I want to convert this exponential form to logarithmic form. So logarithm form, power form to logarithm form. X equal to power equal to log y base c. Base will become base. So what is this? F inverse of y equal to log x base c. So now I want to write f inverse. Instead of y, I want to substitute x. Instead of y, I am taking x. Log x base. This is log y base c. F x equal to f inverse y. Log y base c as this. Instead of y, I am writing x. F inverse y instead of y x. F inverse x equal to log x base c. F inverse of x equal to, what is log x base c? Equal to g of x. So therefore f inverse equal to g. Now let g of x equal to y implies x equal to g inverse of y. So g of x equal to y implies x equal to g, bringing outside g inverse y. Okay, now g of y, what is g of y? So g of x equal to log x base c equal to y. So now I want to convert this logarithmic form into exponential form. X equal to e power y. X equal to e power y. What is this? G inverse of y equal to e power y. G inverse of y equal to e power y. So instead of y, I want to write x. G inverse of x equal to e power, instead of y, x. G inverse of x equal to x. Instead of y, I am writing x. G inverse of x equal to e power x. Okay, now so e power x equal to what? F of x. G inverse of x equal to f of x. So both sides g inverse f. Therefore g inverse equal to f. So f inverse we got g and g inverse equal to f. Okay, now so we need to prove f circle g equal to g circle f. I want to take f circle g of x equal to f of g of x. F of g of x equal to log x base c. Log x base c. Now in f of x, instead of x, I want to write this one. Replace e power log x base c. In a 10th class logarithm, so formula a power log b base a. Here these bases are equal, we will get this one. So equal to x. F circle g of x equal to x. Next, g circle f of x I want to find. G circle f of x. G circle f of x equal to g of f of x. G of f of x equal to e power x. Now, so g of x is this one. Instead of x, I am writing e power x. Log e power x base c. So x come from x. Log e base c x. Log e base c 1 equal to x. So So F circle G of x equal to G circle F of x equal to x. So F circle G equal to G circle F. So this is the proof. Okay, next question. Question is 9th question. First bit 9th question. F of x equal to f of x equal to 1 plus x square plus up to so on for mod x less than 1, for mod x less than 1, show that f inverse x equal to x minus 1 by x. F inverse x equal to x minus 1 by x. So f of x equal to 1 plus x square plus up to so on. We need to prove f inverse of x equal to x minus 1 by x. Okay. So solution. F of x equal to 1 plus x square plus up to so on. Infinitely many terms. So in 10th class we know about the geometric progression. So first term 1, second term x, third term x square. 1 comma x square up to so on are in GP. So x by 1 equal to x square by x equal to x square. A2 by A1 equal to x by 1 equal to A3 by A2 equal to x square by x equal to x. So A2 by A1 equal to A3 by A2. So this is equal to x. So it is in GP. So A equal to 1, R equal to x. So sum of infinitely many terms in geometric progression formula S infinity equal to A by 1 minus R. Actually, so geometric progression doesn't contain this formula, but actually the infinite number of terms formula A by 1 minus R. It is not in 10th class, but the formula of infinite number of terms A by 1 minus R. Similarly, n number of terms also there is one formula. So A by 1 minus R, A equal to 1 by 1 minus x. Now f of x equal to this entire sum equal to 1 by 1 minus x equal to 1 minus x whole power minus 1. F of x equal to 1 minus x whole power minus 1. Next, let y equal to f of x implies x equal to f inverse of y. X equal to f inverse, bring this side f inverse of y. So y equal to f of x equal to this one 1 by 1 minus x. Cross multiplication 1 minus x this side by this side. 1 minus x equal to 1 by y. 1 minus 1 by y equal to x. X equal to y minus 1 by y. What is x? F inverse of y equal to y minus 1 by y. So actually I need in terms of x. F inverse of x equal to x minus 1 by x. So this is the required solution. This is the required inverse function. Okay, next question number 10th one. If f from 1 to infinity to 1 to infinity defined by f of x equal to 2 power x of x minus 1, 2 power x of x minus 1, then find f inverse of x, then find f inverse of x. So f of x equal to this one, we need to find out f inverse of x. So first f of x equal to 2 power x of x minus 1, 2 power x of x minus 1, f of x equal to, let f of x equal to y implies x equal to f inverse of y, x equal to f inverse of y. So f of x 2 power x of x minus 1 equal to y. Next, x of x minus 1, convert this one into logarithmic form. This is exponential form. We need to convert logarithm form. Log y equal to power equal to log y base x into x square minus x minus log y base equal to 0. Next, so x square minus x minus log y base 2 equal to 0. Next, so this is the quadratic equation in terms of x a equal to 1, x equal to b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus log y base 2, c equal to minus log y base 2. Formula x equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is the formula. So minus or minus 1 plus or minus under root 1 minus 4 into 1 into minus log y base 2 by 2 into 1 2. So 1 plus or minus under roots minus into minus plus 1 plus 4 log y base 2 by 2. So I am taking only positive x equal to 1 plus under root 1 plus 4 log y base 2 by 2. So this is x. So x equal to f inverse y. F inverse of y equal to 1 plus under root 1 plus 4 log y base 2 by 2. Instead of y I want to write x. F inverse of x 1 plus under root 1 plus 4 log x base 2 by 2. So this is the required solution. Next, if f of x equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1, x minus 1 by x plus 1, x not equal to plus or minus 1, then verify f circle f inverse of x equal to x. F circle f inverse of x equal to x. Okay, solution proof. F of x equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1. I want to find out first inverse function. We know already f of x, we need f inverse x. So let y equal to f of x implies x equal to f inverse of y. Y equal to f of x, x equal to f inverse y. Next, so y equal to x minus 1 by x plus 1. X minus 1 by x plus 1. Cross multiplication. Y of x plus 1 equal to x minus 1. Y into x, yx, y into 1, y equal to x minus 1. This minus 1 bringing this side, yx is bringing this side. Y plus 1 equal to x minus yx. In this x common, 1 minus y equal to 1 plus y. So x equal to 1 plus y by 1 minus y. What is x? F inverse of y. F inverse of y equal to 1 plus y by 1 minus y. So now I want to replace y with x. F inverse of x equal to 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Now we got f of x and f inverse x. Now we will do this one. F circle f inverse of x equal to f of f inverse of x. F of f inverse x equal to 1 plus x by 1 minus x. 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Next, f circle f inverse of x equal to. So I am taking f of x. Instead of x, simply writing this one. 1 plus x by 1 minus x minus 1 by x. 1 plus x by 1 minus x plus 1. Taking LCM, 1 minus x, numerator 1 plus x, minus 1 plus x. 1 minus x, numerator 1 plus x, plus 1 minus x. 1 minus x, 1 minus x cancel. 1, 1 cancel. X cancel. 2x by 2 equal to x. So f circle, f inverse of x equal to x. So this is the required solution. Okay, next, third question. Second bit, third question. Question is, if f from R to R, if f from R to R, g from R to R, F from R to R and G from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3x minus 2, f of x equal to 3x minus 2, g of x equal to x square plus 1, g of x equal to x square plus 1. Next, g of x equal to x square plus 1. Next one, first one, we need to prove, then find. First one, G circle F inverse of 2. G circle F inverse of 2. Second, G circle F of x minus 1. G circle F of x minus 1. G circle F inverse of 2 and G circle F of x minus 1. So solution, first whatever the function given I want to write. F of x equal to 3x minus 2, g of x equal to x square plus 1. In this f inverse, I want to find out f inverse function. First, let y equal to f of x. Let y equal to f of x. So x equal to f inverse of y. Y equal to f of x, x equal to f inverse of y. So this function y equal to f of x. Y equal to, what is f of x? 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2. Bringing minus 2 this side. 3x equal to y plus 2. X equal to y plus 2 by 3. X equal to y plus 2 by 3. Okay, we got x value. Next, what is x? X equal to f inverse of y. Equal to y plus 2 by 3. So f inverse of, instead of y, I want to write x plus 2 by 3. F inverse of x equal to x plus 2 by 3. Now we got f of x, g of x, f inverse of x. First one, g circle f inverse of 2. G circle f inverse of 2 equal to g of f inverse of 2. G of f inverse of 2 equal to f inverse function, this one. Instead of x we write to 2 plus 2 by 3. G of 2 plus 2, 4 by 3. So g of 4 by 3. So now g of x equal to this one. Instead of x we write 4 by 3. 4 by 3 whole square plus 1. 16 by 9 plus 1. 9. 16 plus 9. 25 by 9. So g circle f inverse of 2 equal to 25 by 9. Next, 25 by 9. Second, g circle f of x minus 1. G circle f of x minus 1 equal to g of f of x minus 1. G of f of x minus 1. So f of x minus 1, instead of x I want to write x minus 1. We have x minus 1 minus 2. So g of 3 into x, 3x minus 3 minus 2 minus 1. Vx minus 5. Next one, g of x. Instead of x, 3x minus 5. So 3x minus 5 whole square plus 1. 3x whole square, 9x square. 2 into 5, 10 minus 30 x. 2, 5 square, 25 plus 1, 26. So this is the required solution. Okay, next problem. Fifth. Let f from R to R, g from R to R be defined by f of x equal to 2x minus 3, g of x equal to x cube plus 5. Then find f circle g whole inverse of x. We need to find f circle g whole inverse of x. So to find f circle g whole inverse, I want to find f circle g first. So solution, given f of x equal to 2x minus 3, g of x equal to x square x cube plus 5. First f circle g of x equal to f of g of x f of g of x equal to x cube plus 5. So x, instead of x we write this one, f of x, 2 of x cube plus 5 minus 3, 2 into x cube, 2x cube, 2 into 5, 10 minus 3, 7. F circle g of x equal to 2x cube plus 7. Next one, whole inverse. Let f circle g of x equal to x equal to f circle g whole inverse of y. X equal to f circle g whole inverse of y. So first f circle g of x equal to what? 2x cube plus 7 equal to y. 2x cube equal to y minus 7. X cube equal to y minus 7 by 2. So this cube bringing outside cube root of y minus 7 by 2. What is x? X equal to f circle g whole inverse of y equal to cube root of y minus 7 by 2. Now I want to write x instead of y. So f circle g whole inverse of x equal to cube root of x minus 7 by 2. So this is the required solution.